Hey guys, what is up? So I just picked up the M3 MacBook Air, so let's go ahead and unbox it. Apple surprised everyone with the release of the all-new M3 MacBook Air, adding another option to their best-selling MacBook Air lineup. Like the M2 version, it comes in two sizes, 13 and 15 inches, and with the same color options that come in Starlight, Silver, Space Gray, and Midnight. However, the Midnight variant stands out with its new anodization process, similar to the Space Black on the MacBook Pro, and that's pretty much aimed at addressing the fingerprint magnet issue. The unboxing experience remains unchanged, so nothing new from Apple, but it's always a satisfying experience. You're pretty much faced with the laptop, and as it slides out, you can truly see how beautiful that midnight blue color is. There's the braided cable that's color matched in midnight, featuring the MagSafe connector. And I truly appreciate that level of detail from Apple. We have the booklet containing the user manual, warranty information, and color matched Apple stickers. The Air offers two brick-size options. The 35-watt dual charger comes standard on the 15-inch models, with the option to upgrade to 70 watts, but I ended up going with the 70-watt brick. Here's a first look at the new Midnight variant. The colour remains the same, but the new anodization process enhances its appeal, and I feel like it actually makes it look premium. When powered on, the sleek design is immediately noticeable, and I truly love the midnight blue colour. The overall design remains identical, offering the same keyboard layout and trackpad. The speakers deliver excellent sound quality.
I'm sorry, the migraine is really making it hard for me to think here.
Sorry, no.
Where was I already?
We're talking about
right,
the way you explained it.
And so there was some paperwork that...
In terms of dimensions, it comes at a height of 0.45 inches, a width of 13.4 inches, a depth of 9.35 inches, making it perfect to carry around, especially if you're someone that travels a lot. And this will definitely feel like you are not carrying anything, as it comes at 1.51 kilograms. The 15.3-inch LED backlit liquid retina display with IPS technology comes at a resolution of 2880 by 1864, and it's absolutely perfect. The colours look crisp and sharp, and it's just a pleasure to use. It supports up to 500 nits of brightness, which is perfect if you work outdoors. Features like Touch ID and the 1080p front-facing camera are still present, making it a solid choice for users. Apple have still maintained the two USB-C ports, along with the MagSafe 3 port, and on the other side we have the 3.5mm headphone jack. Despite its sleek design, I did notice that it's still prone to collecting fingerprints, especially around the Apple logo, but Apple have stuck to their promise that we should expect to see a reduction in the amount of fingerprints, and you can truly see that on this one, and it's definitely an improvement over the previous M2 model. In terms of specs, I opted for the base model that comes with an 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU, 16-core neural engine along with 8GB of RAM and a storage of 256GB. The base model starts at £1,099 for the 13-inch and $1,299 for the 15-inch. I recommend upgrading the RAM to at least 16GB. While Apple offers a 2TB storage option, it comes at a premium price of around £2,300, so upgrading the storage is not worth it at all. You're better off just getting an external SSD drive, which is a much cheaper alternative. With upgrades, you're looking at around £2,499 for a high performing machine, which is absolutely insane. At this price, you're better off looking at the MacBook Pro line. Honestly, despite this being the base model, editing videos on Premiere Pro is a seamless experience, thanks to its powerful M3 chip, offering a significant performance boost over its predecessors. Although, if you are going to be using this device for heavy video production and video editing, then I would recommend you opt for at least 16GB of RAM. For the majority of users out there, the M3 MacBook Air is an excellent choice, offering a balance of performance and portability. However, if you currently have the M2 model or even the M1 and they are still able to meet your needs, then there's no urgent need to upgrade, as those devices are more than powerful enough to handle your everyday tasks. The MacBook Air continues to be a reliable option for those looking to transition from older Intel-based machines. Despite its minor flaws such as fingerprint smudges, it remains a top contender in the laptop market. Just be wary of the midnight color option, although it's definitely gotten better when it comes to the build-up of fingerprints and smudges, thanks to the anodization seal. In conclusion, while the M3 MacBook Air may not represent a significant upgrade, it's reassuring to see Apple pushing boundaries with each release. I am going to be making an in-depth student edition review using the M3 MacBook Air. We managed to hit over 200k on the iPad video for students, so thank you so much for the support on that one. And I figured it's only right to drop another student video, so stay tuned for that one. Let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see in the comments below. I've been Ryan and I'll hopefully catch you guys on the next one. Take care.